Hey everybody, welcome to another final. This is another one that probably was a little close to being done already, and then I finished it up and got it all together. As you can tell as it's going around that I actually changed that antenna. I put an actual wire antenna. I took the base out and drilled out the hole, and then I put a wire in there instead. Looks much better that way, more realistic. Did the grill, did some grill lights in there. The headlights, I did a white acrylic wash in there and did it that way. I did all the little lights, got the siren in, got the bumpers in, the chrome bumpers, the rear front and all that, got the lights on. So this is pretty much a final on this one. This was another one that was sitting in a box forever. About darn time we got out and got done. The front grille and the rear bumper is bright shiny chrome, and I was gonna strip it and then do the aluminum paint that actually would match that. That's and then it never really came off, so I decided not to do that. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the other one and put them side by side so you can see the comparisons of the two and see the difference between movie 1 and movie 2, because there's quite a bit of difference on that car. At the beginning of number 2 they had this one and it was pretty well beat up, so it was like because they were out of Ghostbusting for a while, and so at the beginning of 2 they actually rebuilt it. And so that's why it added so much more stuff, all their new technology and everything like that. So here's 1 and 2 next to each other. Pretty much the basic is the same, but you have a lot more decals on 2. You actually have a hood decal, you actually have all the side caution tape lights and stuff like that, and call us now and everything like that. Another huge difference is the actual light bars. These are actually clear in the second movie when everything was pretty much blue in the first. The top, there is some similarities. They did have the pipes, the box, which is kind of the same on that. They had some kind of antenna, radio antenna. They did get rid of the cannon and got the satellite dish, and added a couple more lights up there to it, and got rid of the siren. They got the billboards on the side and all that. On the kit versus what I did, the kits, these would have been decals on the side fins. I masked that off, and on the AMT kit they do give you a body line that you can trim your tape to. On this one it did not. So there's the two sitting next to each other. Another huge difference was on the back. So they did have the new light bar, crossbar. They had a big tank, so they had to have the lights way up here. But one of the big differences was the step on the back. They actually created a bumper, got rid of the stock bumper and actually created one, and they created it out of diamond plate. So, but besides that, all the rest is there. The two kits are done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the build. These are two that I'm glad I got out of the box. Got them finished and on the shelves. And now it's time for the next one. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a great one. Bye.